Hi guys, today we're going to be stepping into something a little bit different. Shoes. We're not going to be stepping into shoes. I'm going to explain to you about the different types of shoes that people wear every day and for different occasions. I've split this into 7 different topics. Let's find out. The first topic on our list today, casual shoes. Let's start with shoes that people wear every day. Casual, relaxed. So we have trainers, or sneakers if you're American. What is the difference? British people use them for training, Americans use them for sneaking. So for this purpose of this video, I will be calling them trainers. They're great for walking, they're comfortable, they give lots of support. You can have running trainers, more casual trainers, designer trainers. Loafers, slip-on shoes, often leather, no laces. Boat shoes, casual but stylish, originally made for sailors so that they didn't slip when they were on the boat. Example sentences. I wear trainers when I go to the park. Well, actually, I wear trainers every day, but if I'm not working, I wear flip-flops. Talk about them later. Loafers are perfect for a smart, casual look. Boat shoes are perfect for walking on boats without slipping. Our second topic about shoes, formal shoes. These are not shoes that you wear to the park. Maybe you wear them with a suit. Maybe you wear them to work. Let's look at some. Oxfords, classic lace-up shoes for suits, made out of leather. Brogues, decorative patterns on leather shoes. They're similar to Oxfords, but with a pattern. We usually wear these with kilts. Dress boots. Now we will talk about boots later, but for formal shoes I'm going to include dress boots. Boots, but sleek enough for the office or to wear under a suit. Depends on your style. Let's look at some example sentences. He wore black Oxfords for the wedding. We wear brogues with our kilts in Scotland. Dress boots are more comfortable than brogues and Oxfords. Our third topic, sports and activity shoes. Different activities require different footwear. So we have running shoes, lightweight, made for running. Hiking boots, strong, good grips for climbing up mountains. Football boots, with studs on the bottom for playing football to give you grip in the grass or the AstroTurf. Cycling shoes. These are special shoes that clip into the pedals on a bicycle so that your feet don't slip. Example sentences. I need to buy hiking boots for my trip to Nepal. I wear football boots for playing football every Sunday morning. Cycling shoes help me cycle faster. Our fourth category, sandals and open-toed shoes. For warmer weather or the beach, we have open-toed shoes. Flip-flops, simple, flat, toe thong design. In Australia, they call them thongs, but we call them flip-flops because of the noise they make. Flip-flop, flip-flop. I think I've lost the volume control on my flip-flops because they aren't very loud. Slides. Just slip your foot in, no strap between the toes. Good for in spas or around the pool. Gladiator sandals. Lots of straps, Roman style. Let's look at some example sentences. I wear flip-flops to the beach. Well, actually, every day. unless I'm at work. I wear slides when I go to the pool. She likes to wear gladiator sandals when she goes to rooftop bars. Our fifth topic today, boots. Boots come in all shapes and all sizes. Ankle boots stop just above the ankle, but still give adequate protection. Chelsea boots, elasticated sides, no laces, easy to slip on. Cowboy boots, high, pointed toe, decorative stitching. Wellington boots, wellies, waterproof boots for rain or mud. Example sentences. My wellies keep my feet dry in the rain. Cowboy boots are good for horse riding. Chelsea boots are very comfortable for nights out. Number 6, women's fashion shoes. Now this is a topic I had to research because I don't know much about women's shoes. Some shoes are especially popular for women for different occasions or for special occasions. So we have high heels. They make you taller, often worn to parties or work, and the heels can be different heights. Stilettos. They're a type of high heel but with a very tall, thin heel. Very elegant and tricky to walk in. No, I'm not going to show you. Ballet flats. Flat, light shoes inspired by ballet dancers. They usually have bits of wood in the toes so that they can dance on their tiptoes. Wedges. Heels with a solid base from toe to heel. Usually more casual. Example sentences. She wore red stilettos to the party. Ballet flats are more comfortable for ballet dancing. Her work makes her wear high heels every day. Part 7 and our last grouping for today, traditional and cultural shoes. So in some countries, people wear traditional footwear. I do apologize if I pronounce any or all of these incorrect. Geta, Japan. These are wooden sandals. Majari, India, Pakistan. These are made of leather, often embroidered. Thai fisherman sandals. Light sandals made for comfort in the hot weather and on boats. As an extra today, I'm going to include an idiom about shoes because you know I do love idioms. So here's an idiom for you. To put yourself in someone else's shoes. You don't wear somebody else's shoes and then run away with them. It means to think about how somebody thinks. To think of it from that person's point of view. Don't think of it from how you think. How do they think? Put yourself in their shoes. I put myself in her shoes, and now I understand why she is sad. Also, as an extra point in this video, I live in Thailand. In Thailand, we remove our shoes when we go into somebody's house, or if we go into some shops. So it's polite etiquette to remove your shoes when you go into somebody's house. In the UK, we keep our shoes on, but in Thailand, we take our shoes off. So from trainers to stilettos, shoes aren't just for walking. They tell a story about style, culture, and purpose. Which type of shoes do you wear most? Tell me down in the comments below. Are there any shoes that you never wear because they're uncomfortable? Are there shoes that you always wear because they are really comfortable? Again, tell me in the comments down below. If you like this video, comment, like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching to the end. Click here for another vocabulary video, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.